How's this thing look, man? Dude, I literally have my whole station in this backpack. Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you guys the GandB Pro backpack, and this is the Andis authentic model. You guys know I had to have the highlighter yellow. If you guys follow me, you know my shop colors are that neon yellow. That's our highlight color, so you guys know I had to have the Andis authentic. And if you guys aren't familiar with Andis authentic, he's the guy that did Jalen Rose's famous haircut. Shout out Jalen. If you guys can't see my Michigan gear in the back, I grew up. My dad worked for Michigan. Jalen's my homie. Anyway, let's get into this backpack. Guys, I got my other camera set up. We're gonna open it up. I'm gonna actually pack my stuff in it. We're gonna figure out how much room this thing has, and I'm gonna try to figure out kind of how I would pack it for when I go on the road. So anyway, let's start from the top. Let's open this thing up and see what we got. All right, so first off, we got a bunch of pockets on the front. I'm sure they're just little small pockets. Yep, so traveling, guys, you guys could use these for, you know, I'm thinking I'm gonna do my laptop and everything in the same bag. So a couple pockets here. Open this one up and see. Okay, so, oh, it keeps going. All right, so we got some Velcro in here. I'm not really sure what these are for specifically, but guys, we can really put anything we want in here. So I know for a fact that the bottom is really where you're gonna put your clippers, and we'll get to that in a second. But up here, guys, for traveling, you know, I take my phone chargers, watch chargers, extra computer chargers. I'm gonna hopefully find a computer slot in here that I can take my computer with me, all in the same bag. But let's move on to this next compartment. So right here we got another top compartment. We got some rubber straps here. Rubber, those aren't rubber, but they're stretchy. That's the top of it. Did I already open that one? I don't know. Anyway, guys, we got these. I'm not sure really what we would use this for. Like I said, there's tons of pockets, tons of straps. I'm gonna start to load it up once we go all the way through it, and we'll kind of see what we can do with it. So anyway, guys, that is the top. Go ahead and open this next pouch here. I think this is where we're gonna find room for the computer. So one super cool feature, you guys can't see it from there, but if you're watching the other angle, guys, we do have these straps, and what that does, this bag is intended for you to work out of when you're traveling doing house calls. So these straps leave the bag held up like this. So you'll see in a second on the bottom side too, there's gonna be places for clippers and shears and different things like that. And so you can actually prop this up and have easy access to all your stuff. So here on the top, we got a pocket up here, and that goes to full depth. So maybe I can put my laptop in there. Go ahead and close that up. We do have a Velcro strap here, guys. And you can see here, we start to get some of these pockets that are kind of clipper shaped. So maybe we can do some clippers here. I'm definitely probably planning on putting them in the bottom. I have checked out Bazio's case when we were setting up for the Barber versus. But guys, this looks perfect for a laptop. Slide it in here, cover it up. And this is a USB plug. We can hook up a extra battery. You guys know the travel packs, the battery packs. Hook it up here, and there is a connection on the outside. So when you're just traveling, you can simply stick your USB in there and charge your phone or whatever you need to charge. Anyway, that's that. We will go ahead and move on to the bottom. All right, let's find the zipper. All right, so here is the money shot, guys. This is the area that we're gonna put most of our stuff. You can see here, nice GandB Pro logo. If you guys are interested in grabbing one of these, GandB Pro on Instagram, you guys check them out. They do have, I think, 4 or 5 or 6 colorways. Like I said, this is the Andis authentic, the dark gray with the neon yellow, tennis ball yellow. I think they have a black, an army green, a red, a blue, and of course we have the Papito Blessed Hands Miami Vice colors. So that's like that neon blue and pink. I kind of like that one, but I had to go with this to match my shop colors. But anyway, guys, you can see we got a pouch up here. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in there. Okay, so we got a tag, Andis authentic, GandB Pro. You guys can see the GandB Pro workstation is not a design created solely at a desk. It's the actual culmination of field experiences, and that is from Andis authentic. So I think he had a part in creating this. You guys can see right there, that is him. We also have, looks like a little booklet. We'll check that out. I'm gonna get this piece out of here. Okay, so that's a sticker, I think, with Andis authentic on it. So here's a little booklet. I'm not sure what it's gonna say. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, sweet. All right, so we're gonna have these attachments that will let us build this however that we want. These do open up, guys, so you can see, and we can actually fold these out to the side. So you guys, this is actually made to work out of, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you the brochure. There's the black and white, guys. That one's pretty sharp. You have these dividers. We'll be able to go in and actually build out what we want to set up. Let's hope they give us some examples here. So there's a better version of the example. We got shears in the top, combs next to that, clippers in the little slots, neck duster and some stuff underneath. And you guys can see right here, they're kind of showing you how to go about it. So, all right guys, so you've seen it now. Let's go ahead and start to pack this thing up as if we were going on a house call. I'm just gonna put my stuff in here. We're gonna see kind of what we can build and what we can figure out. So let's start with my clippers. I already did mess with this, guys, on my way home from the trip when Basio gave it to me. So you can see some of these compartments are gonna fit certain clippers that I'm working with. Let's work on getting all these clippers in. I did notice with the power clip, it's a little tight, so I just did this. Put the power clip next to it. We'll do the skeleton up here. We'll go ahead and move this so that it holds it snug. Boom, there you go. Slimline. Oh yeah, nice, like a glove. Find the spot for the shaver. And you guys know I got all my travel stuff. Normally I would have the tops on all of these, but we're just mocking it up for you guys. So again, we're gonna make spots for all of these little, whatever I would travel with. So that is all my tools. Let's see what else we got. Well, that's not all of them. Let's see, we got the Gamma Plus. Not gonna fit. All right, let's do this. Let's move this down, put the Gamma up there, put the Uno right there. We'll go ahead and put another one down here and it will snug that Uno in there. All right, what are we missing? I got an extra spot here. We'll throw the TPOB Reaper in there. It doesn't even fit. All right, there we go, it fits. All right, so that is all my clippers, guys. Now we'll check this out. I don't know what I would use this for. We're gonna go ahead and just flip that out of the way. Here's what we're gonna do. Let's see. We can do shears, I guess, through here. Go ahead and slide them through the little holder. Boom. Put all the shears in. I gotta figure this out, guys. You know, when I travel, I'm gonna put all my stuff in there. So it'll probably take me a little trial and error. I need to ask Basio and all those guys kind of what they do. So, all right, so there's the shears. You guys can see if we wanted to, we could take both of my combs that I use on the regular. Oh, that's a little bit tall. That's not gonna fit. So we can use the bottom down here, guys, since it's flat. There's our combs, there's our brush, boom. Let's say we want to take some no drip. 2 bottles of no drip, bam. Shave gel, bam. Straight razor, we will hit this last pocket. And I want to touch on something real quick. For those of you who travel or would like to travel and cut hair, I want to tell you guys real quick. You can take shears. Where's my big shears? I think this is them. So these shears are 7 inches. The blade is 3.5 inches from the start of the blade. I believe that is as big as you can travel with. So I do travel with these guys. Anything over, they will take. You also, if you fly with this and it has a blade in it, they are gonna stop you. They probably will see this in your bag through the TSA and stop you anyways, but definitely they're gonna take the blade out if you have a blade in it. Everything else, guys, this is a commonly asked question. Everything else is allowed to go through the airport. So if you guys are traveling, you can take all of your tools. Really, the only thing you're not allowed to take is your razor blades. So really, guys, this is most of what I would take. Like I said, we do have some room down here in the bottom, so let's just assume we're gonna take a cape. We can throw our cape in here. We got plenty of room, guys. Throw our cape in. What else we got? Say we want to take a towel. I guess that's probably what I'll do down here on the bottom is put the flat stuff. Boom, fold our stuff down. And then, guys, fold this down. We can go ahead and close that up, pack it up, and then the rest of the stuff here. These pockets would really be good for whatever we wanted to put in here. You know, you guys got tons of stuff. That's more or less everything I take with me when I go on the road. You can put like a ring light, a little mini ring light in here, and a little floor mat they come with and all that stuff. So really, you know, it's up to you how you want to pack it. I think it would be cool if they came out with the video themselves to show us kind of what they do. But you guys can see, I swear I can fit my whole station in this thing. And so that's off the chain. A lot of the time when you travel, it's kind of difficult to take everything with you. You want to leave some things. You know, you get down there and you forget stuff. It's frustrating, but it's hard to travel. It's hard to find something that fits everything you need all in one place. And guys, I gotta say, I mean, I haven't even scratched the surface on how much room is left in here. I just found another pocket right here, and that goes all the way down. So guys, it's just full of space. Plenty of pockets. You guys can see I have every single clipper that I use in here already. All we would have to add is the blow dryer. What else do I see? The Beam Team compressor. Probably put that up here on one of these top pockets. So that's pretty much everything I would travel with, guys. Maybe a little bit of hair product. And you guys can see we still got plenty of room, plenty of pockets. I don't even begin to know what else I would put in here. If you guys want to check it out, head over to GandB Pro. I'm gonna holler at them and see if I can get you guys a discount code. And if I did, I'll put it right here. You guys head over there, check out their bags. They're super dope. I promise if you guys travel and cut hair, do house calls, you will love this bag. You guys can see all the room that it has. All of us are using it. The Barber versus TV battle is sponsored by gandbpro, so they have all been using them and working out of these. Guys, this is intended to open up like this at a house call and work right out of this thing. So super dope. Maybe I can even throw a couple expansion pads in here so that when I travel, I can plug them in and charge on the go as well. So off the chain, guys, I definitely recommend it. You guys head over to gandbpro. Guys, super stoked with the backpack. You know I like matching, and it matches my shop colors. I think I'm gonna have to give me a little patch right here, a big old Klutch patch to put on the front, maybe a little Seancutshair right here, and I think that would set this thing off. So you guys leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about that idea. But anyway, guys, I appreciate you watching this video. I hope it was informative. Head over to gandbpro and check this thing out, and you guys will see it in the future with me traveling. I'm gonna have this thing with me. I look forward to using it plenty more trips once this Corona stuff clears up. So appreciate you guys watching. Smash that like button if you like this video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of my bag. And I'll catch you guys next time.